So in this part, we will discuss the systemic actions of local anesthetic. Depending on the concentration attained in the plasma, any local anesthetic can produce systemic effect. It may get absorbed systemically, and that will depend upon the plasma concentration of local anesthetic. That means it will interfere with all organs in which conduction or transmission of impulses occur. That means CNS, autonomic ganglia, neuromuscular junction, all muscles are affected. Now, what is the effect of local anesthetic on CNS? Local anesthetic depresses the cortical inhibitory pathway. As you can see here, what does it do? It depresses the cortical inhibitory pathway. All local anesthetic produce a sequence of stimulation followed by depression, except cocaine, which causes stimulation only. What is the effect of local anesthetic on CNS, on the brain? It inhibits, or we can say depresses, the cortical inhibitory pathway. So it will initially produce stimulation, later on it produces depression, followed by depression. But in case of cocaine, it causes only stimulation. Now, overall, it causes restlessness, tremors, headache, confusion, and may proceed to convulsion, which is followed by respiratory depression, comatose state. Now, lignocaine initially causes drowsiness and lethargy. Initially causes drowsiness and lethargy, and later on causes stimulation. So these are few exceptions in local anesthetic. Cocaine initially causes stimulation, means it causes stimulation only, but lignocaine initially causes drowsiness and lethargy, and later on it causes stimulation. Now, what is the effect on heart, or CVS we can say? What is the effect on CVS? Primary site of action is myocardium. Primary site of action is the myocardium. So lignocaine decreases the excitability, decreases the conduction rate and force of contraction. So it produces quinidine-like effect. Lignocaine decreases excitability, decreases the conduction rate, force of contraction. So it produces quinidine-like effect. It causes arteriolar dilatation, and because of that there is a fall in blood pressure due to sympathetic blockade. Fall in blood pressure because of arteriolar dilatation, because of the sympathetic blockade. But cocaine causes vasoconstriction and it may increase your blood pressure. Bupivacaine is highly cardiotoxic than other local anesthetics. These are the effects of local anesthetics, particularly on the heart. Now, what is the effect on smooth muscles? It depresses the contraction in the intact bowel, and they also relaxes the vascular and bronchial smooth muscles.